then today we will continue with the chapter of nutrition in animals, and we are doing the part 3 of this video as this chapter is very long. So I am running a little bit late as the school syllabus, because this is for your revisions for the half yearly exam. So we have to study the part 3 of the chapter. So first we have left on the oesophagus food pipe. Now we are gonna start with the topic of stomach. So let's start topic of stomach. We're gonna start with the stomach. So what is stomach? Stomach is a banana shaped organ which helps in the digestion of proteins. It produces hydrochloric acid which helps in the digestion of proteins. And so what do you think about the HCl? We have learned in the chapter of acid bases and salts that hydrochloric acid is a non-dilute acid which can harm anything, our skin and our sensitive organs. What about the stomach? It is also very sensitive. The stomach could be itself digested if the layer of what? Mucosa is not present. The stomach will get itself digested. So the layer which protects the stomach from itself getting digested is mucosa. Mucus or mucosa. So this is about the stomach. Now we will go further to the topic of our liver. So let's study about liver. Know about the liver. The liver is a triangular shaped organ present beside the stomach. It is just beside the stomach. It helps in the digestion of fats and break it into simpler compounds. It helps in the digestion of fats with the help of dash, which is produced by dash. Please give me the two answers. First, by which juice help the liver helps in the digestion of fats? The answer is the bile juice. Bile. But where is the bile juice stored? The question is helps in digestion of fats with the help of dash, which is bile, which is produced by dash. The liver helps in the digestion of fats with the help of bile, which is produced by, the answer is the gallbladder. The gallbladder produces the bile juice, which helps in the digestion of the fats. So now we will continue with another one, which is our, what comes after liver? You tell. The summary which comes after liver is our pancreas. So now, and it is almost the most important part of our body. Why? I am going to tell you about the pancreas. The pancreatic juice acts on the carbs, fats and proteins, which convert them into simpler compound, which is bolus, and the nutrition in it is converted into juices by the pancreas, which give nutrition for our body. The pancreas helps in the digestion of both three nutrients, the carbs, fats and proteins. It basically takes the nutritional value of the food and convert the food waste into bolus and send it into the larger intestine, and the juices is absorbed by the small intestine. The names of the juices are carbs, it is trypsin. Fats, it is are lipase or insulin. And protein into pepsin. These are the enzymatical forms of these juices, and these are the Then the food is completed by converting it into bolus. We have heard of this topic, this thing, insulin. Insulin is a juice which helps in the digestion of fats. If there is lack of insulin in our, if the pancreas do not secrete insulin, much insulin to fulfill the needs of our body, the disease which is called the diabetes or sugar. This diabetes or sugar is caused by the less secreting of insulin from our body, and we cannot digest fats properly if there is lack of insulin. So we have completed the topic of this pancreas. Now we will move to the topic of the large intestine. So what is large intestine? Now I am going to tell you about the large intestine. The large intestine do not have the main work, but it converts the food into waste and sends it into rectum and anus for further process. It just converts food into waste and sends it into rectum and anus for the process of digestion. It just has this much of work. And now we are going to study about the small intestine. Small intestine is also a very important topic in our human digestive system. So now we are going to study about the small intestine, which I am going to tell you. The small intestine absorbs the enzymatical forms. We knew about the enzymatical forms such as carbohydrates as trypsin and fats as lipase or insulin. So there are enzymatical forms of food. The small intestine absorbs it with the help of the structure called villi. This villi is in plural, and in singular it is villi. Singular it is villi. The structure of villi helps to absorb the food and provide nutrition to the whole body. It has just one work, but it is very important for the body. The villi absorbs the food and sends it into our blood for further nutrition, and the surface area of this villi is equal to a size of a tennis court. That's suspicious. This work is done by the small intestine, which is very important. And then we will talk about the last topic is our rectum and anus. And then we will finish the topic of our human digestive system. Food is digested, the waste which is thrown out from our body is known as digestion, and it is done by the rectum and anus. There is no another work of this rectum and anus. Now we are completed by the human digestive system. We are completed by our video. Don't forget to subscribe, educational dose, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. And bye. My name is Anya, and keep watching my videos for freshly brewed content. Bye.